Hello, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Seung's fortune analysis. Seung has great singing, acting, and handsomeness. Celebrities are versatile. Seung singing well, acts well, and fits well with various fields of broadcasting. What is the fortune of Seung, who has both good looks and outstanding talent? Seung's fortune tells us that the flow of energy is very good. The flow of energy to the outside of the circle is win-win. Let's take a look. Wood supports fire. Fire supports land. Land supports matter. And matter supports Seung himself, because Seung is a positive water. If the support flow continues from right to left, it will lead to success from youth. Seung is suitable for both business and organizational life. He gets help from both superiors and juniors. It means that he will succeed in everything he does. Of course, there are some aspects that change over time, but everything goes well when it comes to what he wanted to do. His environmental side also has the advantage of being well equipped. The letter that means Seung itself is positive water. This letter is often compared to seawater. He has a big scale like seawater. The water seems to show its insides clearly, but it does not show its depth when viewed from above. Water also has excellent penetration, so it adapts well to any person or organization. As water changes into water, steam, and ice, positive water has a lot to do with the financial world and is particularly interested in the financial sector. From now on, let's take a look at each letter in the order in which the fortune supports. This letter is pure, sociable, and creative. It's a letter that gives him the talent to act as an actor and singer. The following letters are mainly compared to the sun as fire. This letter means that it is strong in financial technology and has a lot of money. These two characters give him a business-like disposition and are suitable for free acting. The next two letters are land. These letters are suitable for organizational activities and give determination and execution. And there's the matter. This letter is advantageous to knowledge and is loved by superiors. It also means mother. This structure is suitable for organizational life and has the characteristic of having a system on its own. Seung's fortune has two structures that allow both businessman and organization life. However, there is a job role that has organizational life and the boss and an order system around him. Therefore, we will analyze that the system can become a leader in a well-organized structure. At the same time, it can be seen as a good structure to display his talents as a businessman and an artist. Seung is still young and is showing his talent. I hope that he will be better and everything will go as well as he wishes in the future. I look forward to seeing him succeed in both organizational and personal activities. It's such a wonderful fortune, and the two letters in the picture are the words that combine. One is mother and the other is wife. In other words, it means that when he gets married, his wife and mother get along well and help him a lot for himself. And the two letters below are honor, but they mean children too. So you can see that they are very smart. Fantastic. Today we took a look at Seung's fortune, which shows a variety of great talents in his straightness. Subscribe, thumbs up please. I'm Ligo. Thank you so much. Bye.